Hey guys, and welcome to a new episode of tutorial. In this tutorial, this is actually a tutorial for me and for you because I will learn something and you guys will learn something because we will take amazing piece of art that's not mine and I will try to take it apart and see how is everything done and maybe try to implement on my drawing. So today's artist will be Thomas Wievegg. Thomas Wievegg, I guess. I don't really know to pronounce, that names, but I'm sorry if that's not true. Incredible artist, really incredible artist. You can see right here. I think I can put right here. His art, his concept artist, 3D artist, and yeah. He's amazing, so we'll take only one his drawing and we'll take it apart. So let's start.
Hey guys, so I'm going digitally a little so I can discuss about this amazing drawing style and how it's done, and I can zoom and I can show you on the best way. Alright, so here we have a drawing. By the way, link of that artist will be in the description, his ArtStation. Alright, so we'll mainly focus on this guy right here. When you see this, it looks okay, it looks cool actually, it's awesome, but if you zoom it really close, as you can see, lines are not perfect, and that's the amazing part of this style. I really like this style because lines are not perfect and artist did it on purpose. I'm sure he can do perfect lines, but it won't look as good as this. So that's amazing part about this, art style. Look at this. As you can see, this can be this can be easily done perfect, but artist didn't want to do that. He wanted to do, he wanted to do his way, and it's amazing. So okay, as you can see, he's not in perfect alignment, he's a little bit to the side, to the left side. And let's see his head. Okay, I will erase these guidelines. As you can see, he probably did this drawing. Now I will show you how he did that. So he probably just go with some guidelines first. Then he drew a nose. Alright, so he probably just did, basic shapes with sketching, and then he started, to draw, but remove, opacity, zero opacity, so you don't want to have pressure sensitivity because you don't see here any pressure sensitivity, as you can see on his lines, zero pressure sensitivity. And if some edges are a little bit sharp, that's because he probably erased that. And guys, watch this beard, watch this face hair, is that called? I don't really know. Can you see that those random lines, those scribbles? That's amazing, and it looks really good. And to draw something like this, you need a really nice understanding of everything you draw. So I will try to replicate this, but I'm not sure I can. Alright, so I did just face and nose. I'm sorry, I did just eyes and nose and some those cool face lines. And the reason there are that much details in his face, like this dot right here and those lines, if you did that on normal normal guy, he will look really old. And when you did that on soldiers, somehow it looks really nice because soldiers have a lot of details on their soldiers have a lot of details on their body, and when you put some details on face, it looks really nice. That's why I like to draw soldiers, and that's why this drawing catched my eye. And now when I show you the way he's drawing that, I will try to replicate this same image, probably, you know, 1 or 2 times. So let's start. Alright guys, so I realized something. It's probably too hard to, you know, replicate whole body. So I will just replicate upper, you know, head and upper body. So let's start. Alright, we got our sketch. You know guys, when this, you know, guy draw this amazing soldier, I bet he didn't put as half of this, you know, guidelines I put here, but I have to do that, you know, I'm not that skilled as he is. So yeah, now let's go with a bit thinner brush. Let's see if that's enough. Okay, that's enough. And I can go on outlines. There's a lot of details and I can just play, you know. It doesn't have to be perfect, and let's see. Alright guys, and it's over finally. As you can see here, I draw first, you know. So first I draw like this sketch and not a lot of details, and then I draw this on top of my sketch, of course. And first I draw without any details, and it looks really, you know, bad, because those details, those random mistakes that you want to make on purpose, as you can see right here. So I, you know, erase this. This style is meant not to be perfect, you know. To perfectly draw with this style, you don't want to be perfect. Yeah, that's nice to, you know, say. As you can see, I didn't draw that facial hair like he did over here. I did it like, I don't know, my way. They're missing a little bit details, you know, but it's okay, I guess. And I want to play more with this style because this is amazing. As you can see here, oh, let me take red. Here he has some details that I don't really have. And where he, of course, his head is not my head is not as detailed as his, because you know. And yeah, that's it. Now I will try to make my own sketch in this style, you know, without copying. By the way, I will have this reference right here, but I will try to make something different, you know. So let's start with that, and yeah. Alright, so here I draw a sketch of a biker. I guess it's biker. I'm not really into bikers, but I guess I get those details. And now I'm going to outline, and I'm going to put details that I didn't draw right here. So I'm going to, you know, draw the details while I'm outlining. Alright guys, so it's over. I tried to put as many details as I can think of, you know. So it looks kind of good with those outlines in the background. It looks kind of okay. I guess I will save that for, I don't know, later maybe. So I realized something: when you draw like this, you want to make as many 3D shapes as you can, because can you see that? So here, oh, I will take a red. Okay, here you can see the edge, here as well edge, and here this edge of, you know, that mask of motorcycle, you know, mask right here, and where right here you can see, you know, edge, and in this like little you know, pit in the mask, so that edge, and that's in my drawing. But look at this drawing, you can see here edge, you know, this right here, see this, then, or of course right here, that's no normal, then this little edge right here, you know, that gives a nice feeling, you know, to that image. Let me try to explain you. So I will try to remove this one. You will see that it looks really crappy. Alright, so it looks kind of, you know, ugly. Watch this now, you know, that gives a feeling to the image. I'm sure there's more, of course. This is full. Oh, let me take another color. This is, you know, everything, you know, in shapes, as you can see, in planes, and of course his feet. It's really hard to draw something like this, trust me. And yeah, everything, you know, like this 3D, you know, his hand, of course. And yeah, guys, that's it for this amazing style. I just took drawing style, you know, I didn't took coloring, but when you apply color to this style, it looks amazing, because you need just to put some, you know, basic color, some highlights and some shadow, and it will look amazing. You don't really need to mix any particular, you know, color. There's just a little mix of color right here, I guess. Yeah, a little mix, you know, he blended it a little, but that's a minimal, you know. And yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. I hope I learned something 100%, you know. I hope you learned with me, and I hope you guys will love it, and so I can create more of this video, because I really like this. I'm learning, you're learning, and everyone is learning. And yeah, that's it for this episode. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.